Wike kage so Wike.
Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike has declared that the state will continue to be home to people of the Igbo ethnic nationality. Governor Wike gave the assurance during a meeting with Southeast governors, the leadership of Ndigbo and the Igbo community in the state at Government House Port Harcourt Sunday. The governor said that in the wake of the Oyibo crisis, people peddled the rumor that he is chasing Igbos out of Rivers State, which is not true because the state has an enduring relationship with the Igbos.
Ndigbo, be assured, this place is your place. This place is your place. Be assured, the support you gave to me, I cannot abandon you. Since 2015, I have continuously appointed you into the cabinet. I've continuously appointed to the cabinet. So if I hate you, why would I put the Executive Council where the decision is being taken? If we are plotting against Igbos in the Executive Council, that you know, won't you come and send it out to Igbo? Igbo should just relax. But obey the rules. So Rivers people will continue to live together with Igbos. We continue to live together with Igbos. So don't nobody come and tell you any story. But I will never allow criminals to operate in my state. I will not allow criminals to operate in my state. Nobody should give Igbo people a bad name. Igbos are very entrepreneurial. Igbos are very innovative. There cannot be Nigeria without Igbos. There cannot be Nigeria without Igbos. I have traveled everywhere in the north. There's nowhere I went to the north where you cannot find Igbo people. And so nobody should take Igbo people for granted. But that does not mean we must allow criminals to give us bad name. You must not allow it. Including myself, can say we have no relationship with Igbos. It's a lie. It's a lie. Anybody who tells you that, say, fa. River State is a place that accommodates everybody. And we've been very peaceful. I will continue to accommodate everybody. We will continue to do that. The state has been very peaceful. So my place has been very, very what? Peaceful. Overnight you woke up. Somebody has gone to kill 6 soldiers. Burnt them. Killed 4 policemen. One of the policemen that was killed was an Igbo man. They just cut his neck. When I went to see them, I saw his child, 6 months old. Now, somebody will tell that child, hey, your father died. What offense did the man commit? That he came to South Nigeria as a policeman. Because somebody, a criminal said, when he said a policeman, kill him. See a soldier, kill him. Did they write who is Igbo in the face? Did they write it or is it in their faces? The man has died. Look at that small child, 6 months. People who to give Igbo people bad name. People who came to rig my election and not the one controlling them to go and kill those. When did I get the power? People know that one governor that's never liked by the government of today. It's not true. Now, let me give them command to go and kill Igbo. But let me tell you, he who kills will also die. I will go and kill Igbo people in Oyibo, but I will not kill Igbo people in Port Harcourt. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? The chairman of my party from Oyibo The chairman of my party is from Oyibo. So if there's any one local government I must protect, it must be Oyibo local government. So why will I go my own party chairman's local government? I'm going to destroy it to kill Ndigbo. How?
The chairman of the Southeast Governors Forum and governor of Ebonyi State, Dave Umahi, has warned Igbos to be wary of the indigenous peoples of Biafra, IPOB, because the outlawed group is trying to instigate another civil war. He said they were in River State to ascertain the veracity of the news circulating in the social media over the alleged killings of Igbo people living in the state. According to him, their findings has proved otherwise. Umahi, after listening to Governor Wike's narration of the atrocious activities of IPOB in Oyibo that culminated in the position of curfew in the entire local government, warned Igbos to be wary of IPOB as the group was bent on instigating another civil war that will result in the murder of Igbo people. The governor said he finds it nauseating that IPOB could go to Benue and Rivers to foist its flag and claim the territories belong to the Igbo people. According to him, Igbo leadership are opposed to the stance by IPOB. Umahi, who revealed that he has huge investment in River State, urged Igbos living in the state to respect the government and the people of River State in order for them to continue to live and do business in the state peacefully. According to him, Ndigbo cannot support any form of criminality.
We can claim here, as your leaders back home, that all we read in the social medias from your own account are all lies. Because we did not come to verify your claims. You did not report to us. I have lived in Rivers State for a very long time. My 6 children out of 7 were all born here in Rivers State. We have never had any form of discrimination here. We've never had. And we must call, a spade a spade. It is very important. We have 11.5 million Igbos living in the north. We have 3 million Igbos that are voting age in Lagos State. Not to talk about other parts of this country. And somebody wants to start a war for us so that the Igbos will be slaughtered. During the Civil War, we lost 3 million Igbos. Most of them were killed when they were running away from the north back to southeast. Everywhere you go in this country, you see our infrastructure. Think about the percentage of infrastructure of Ndigbo in Lagos and in Abuja. Who brings war upon himself? Let me tell you something. We Ndigbo, we do not support criminalities. Do not buy into any criminal that is from our side. We feel so free with our host communities. I find it very funny when somebody is going to be claiming that part of Benue State must descend into his territory. Part of Rivers State must descend into his territory. What sort of madness is that? Even if there is referendum, people must freely say where they want to belong to. You can't force them. No matter the history you have, you can't force people to belong to where you want them to belong. They want to belong to where they want to belong. Why I'm telling you this is that we should be wise not to support what is wrong. Let's go back and tell ourselves the truth. What is happening cannot be said to be for Ndigbo. Those people are not speaking for us. What are you agitating for? And you are destroying the properties of Ndigbo. Won't that tell you that they are looking for something else? They came to my state, the beautiful street light I had, beautiful infrastructure. You are destroying them. You are burning tires on the third road. Is it part of the agitation? Make we rise up and defend our name.
Also speaking, the President General of Ndigbo, Chief John Nyawodu, said the meeting has reinforced the existing affinity between Igbos and the people of the Niger Delta. He described Governor Wike as a champion of restructuring of Nigeria and a man who loves justice. He explained that the leadership of Igbos cannot remain aloof, while some misguided few who did not experience the brutality of this last civil war continue to fan the ember of disunity. Wodo said he was elated to hear from Igbo leaders that under the leadership of Governor Wike, businesses have continued to thrive.
We have come today to reinforce a creation of God, a creation of affinity, of brotherhood, of cordiality between Ndigbo and not just River State, but the entire Niger Delta region. We have the same issues confronting us in this country. We have the same attitude to the solution of these issues. And I have not seen a more active fighter for this than the governor of River State. You have been fearless in championing the goals of the Southern and Middle Belt Leadership Forum. You have spoken out for restructuring. You have spoken out that justice must be done to everywhere. I have heard you say, we in Niger Delta have had president. Ndigbo should have president.
Former River State Governor Dr. Peter Odili lauded the Igbo leaders for the peace initiative and decision to visit Governor Wike. He stated that every governor desires peace to govern, and Governor Wike is no exception. He stressed that the people of the state endorse every measure taken by Governor Wike to ensure lasting peace in the state.
And so let me, on behalf of our people, with the blessing of the chairman of the Rivers Traditional Rulers Council, the Amenabo of Opobo, thank you, Mr. Governor, for the kind things you have done, as testified by our brothers and sisters from our neighboring states who are resident here. We don't have a lot to add to what has been said. But let me reinforce what the President General, Chief Nyawodo, has said. It is where you live that you worry about the roof when it is raining. Let us learn that nobody, no human being chose where to come from, because no human being chose his father or his mother. It is what you've grown up to see and accept that is the reality of your life. Every governor wants peace to govern well. Without peace, you can't govern. And so no governor welcomes any arrangement or situation that generates insecurity. And the people of Rivers State have endorsed all the steps our governor took to ensure security of life and property.
Present at the meeting were the Governor of Abia State, Dr. Okeze Pazu, Deputy Governor of Anambra State, Dr. Nkem Okeke, Chief Emmanuel Nwanyao. Other dignitaries are Deputy Governor of River State, Dr. Mrs. Ipalibohari Banigo, former Governor of River State, Sir Celestino Meha, the Chairman of River State Traditional Rulers Council, Amanayabo of Opobo, King Denderson Douglas Jaja, National Chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Uche Secondus, among others.
So So thank you very much.
La 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 la.